Hello! You're searching your activity to try. You have a question what to do in my free time at home. You are interested in handmade for pleasure or sale. Or finally you want to know how to make toys, what to crochet, or how to crochet toys amigurumi. If any category is suitable for you, subscribe to my channel about crochet toys for beginners. I have made my first crochet steps in September 2019 and now I'm ready to open this fantastic world for everybody who is looking for a way to express creative energy by his imagination and hands. My information about crochet toys for beginners will be useful for everybody who has never held yarn and a hook in hands. You will finally believe that you are able to create wonderful products which can make happier you, your family members, friends and any person on the earth. Crochet amigurumi creating could be for you not only a favorite hobby, a way of meditation, but also an additional or even main job. I plan to give you amigurumi tutorials and patterns every week. Subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon in order not to miss new videos. I'm waiting for you.